Okay, another batch of beans. The piece de resistance is this. Hampton Farms creamy. Gotta get you some fat up in there. Fat and sugar. Can't go wrong with that. Got this squash that my neighbor Joe hooked me up with. Got this batch of beans. Yeah, perfect. Need to fill it up with water after I put these good ingredients in. So we put that in, put your veg in. And that's alright, the little end piece. Ain't never hurt nobody. I washed it off, so it should be good. So, got the max fill line. Still got room for that max fill. Alright, I'll have to go get a mount real quick. Oops. So yeah, we got the vegetables in there. Dang it, keep moving now. You're gonna put about half of this joint off up in here. Cause you know you gotta get that flavor. Gotta get that flavor popping. And get that going and then fill it up with water. We already got the salt from earlier. Yeah, we'll be good to go when we get some water. To be clear, we're using purified water, you know, from the new faucet. Just using that Sam's Club Coke Zero container. And cleaning the spoon off. Nah, but these beans are finna be it. I got a good feeling about it. And I threw that stem in the compost. That should be enough water. I gotta wash the spoon off because these vermin and Texas be about it. If I don't clean everything off, it's gonna be problems. Anyway, we take the water, come over here. See, we adding the water to the bean mixture, and then I'm gonna go all the way up to that max fill line. To that max fill line, we about there. So really, I didn't even need that much water. Now I gotta go stick my purified water back in the fridge because I ain't trying to waste this, and it'd be too hot to just let stuff sit out here. So that's about to go back in the fridge. This joint about to cook another hour. And really, let me put something on there, smush that down, so when I put the top on, it ain't gonna really get peanut butter all over the top, because I don't want that happening. My hands are clean, so in case you didn't know. So that should be good to keep the top from getting all nasty. So I didn't want to put the top back on there. Let me remount this so I can get that good view. So we got the stove on there, and then we seal it joint up. Put that back on there. And then just hit that meat stew. Hit that meat stew button. Bam. Oh, actually, I ought to reset it and hit that meat stew button. 60 minutes. 60 minutes. You finna be right.